Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Brand Registry step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Brand Registry, start by visiting the Amazon Brand Registry. Sign in to your Amazon Seller Central or Vendor Central account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, select the option to enroll your brand. Provide your brand name exactly as it appears on your products. Enter your brand's trademark registration number. This number must be from an accepted trademark office. Next, choose the countries where your brand is registered. Upload an image of your trademark, showcasing the logo. Provide a list of product categories that your brand covers. Include the countries where your products are manufactured or produced. Fill out the information about your brand ownership. You may need to provide additional information, such as packaging or product labels. Ensure that you have the necessary documentation ready for verification. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once complete, submit your application for approval. Wait for Amazon to review your application. This process may take several days, so be patient. You will receive an email notification regarding the status of your application. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to complete the registration process. Once registered, you can access various brand protection tools and resources. Monitor your brand regularly to ensure compliance with Amazon's policies. Stay informed about updates in the brand registry program for ongoing benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.